down there, guys. I'll feed you some this evening.
Is he a full-size bull?
No, he's just a baby.
Oh, he looks like a bigger one.
He's the one he's the daddy of all these babies.
Oh, is that why he's letting the other bull have it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So he's the dad of that one too?
Oh, I don't know about that.
The other bull?
No.
Oh, no?
No. He's not the dad of any of those bulls, but the calves, he's the daddy of all those.
So do you have to castrate some of these so the meat will be better?
Make it ever want to get their nuts cut out.
Makes the meat different, right?
Makes it good. You can sell them for a decent price.
They follow each other. That's for sure.
All right, we're gonna find that baby. Even then, forget where it is. I come out and do it 3 times a day. Show them where it's at. That'll go like that for a week. Okay, watch out, he just eat it. Yeah, they're stupid. And a cow, they can be walking through the door. That's all the babies. That's 6 of them. It's laying down out here somewhere. Like not.
My mama's with me. So how old are these? We're gonna eat. Oh, is she still out here right now?
Oh, that's the baby.
When they're little bitty babies, like, do the cows always seclude themselves from the herd when they have a brand new one? She just, all right, that's close enough. Good Lord. How you find all your cows?
Trying to get out.
Done.
Huh?
This is a beautiful property.
Where's that chicken pen you showed me the picture of that got hit by the...
That first double line.
Okay.
So you're gonna keep the babies?
Yeah, I think I'll keep the calves. I don't see number 8 out there. There's his with the white feet.
That's the older one?
That's what we're gonna eat.
Number 8? Oh, okay.
Oh, you volunteer in White Sox?
That's the one they're gonna eat.
Yeah.
So they can fill up their freezer with meat. That's why I told you, if you get connected animals, don't name them.
I'll do all this stuff this summer. I'm getting pretty good. See, I'm living it out a little bit. Boy, they'll a bunch of them get out there and go to chattering.
Oh, you can hear them? I've never heard of them
Okay,
before.
yeah, they're loud. You'll hear them in a minute if we sit here long enough.
Well, I was not looking forward to coming outside with y'all because I'm not. Her brother's porch, they have like 20 of them, and well, you can't even see through them. Oh wow, they do fight with each other.
Constantly.
There's so many to choose from, and they all want to go to the.
Only one.
Wow, they're so tiny.
hear 'em.
Yeah.
That little chirpy noise, that's them.
Yeah.
Okay, now, are males different? I saw one. There's one out of
Males
that
are the
group.
pretty. Lay that sucker down.
Well, those guys, I won't even lie to you. I'd have been one of those. Well, I mean, if you were born in that time, it's what you know and what you do. But, like, boy, God, I'm thank God for making me after He made air conditioning. Had it until I started going to the Philippines and been like, wow.
Yeah. It's an eye opener, isn't it?
Yeah.
Listen at them.